Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem, another Java problem. So the coding problem is take two user inputs. User inputs A and B, and user need to form a number by concatenating the both these numbers. So this is the problem statement. So you have to take two user inputs. By taking the user inputs, you have to form a number by concatenating these two numbers, forming, and you have to print that number. That's it. And you have to print that number. So that's the problem statement. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. Import java dot till dot start scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So int a is equal to sc dot next in. Int b is equal to sc dot next in. And system dot out dot println. You have to print x plus y. So this is how we can concatenate by using plus symbol, and I'm using a space in between them, and I'm concatenating the y. So it's not x, it's a and b, right? It's a and b. So let's run this program. So the first the first user input is 5 and the second input is 3. So we should form 53. Or you can take space out and we can run this program again. First input is 5, second input is 3, and run the program. Got the output 53 by forming the number by combining both the user inputs. So that's it, friends. It's a simple problem. Concatenation of two numbers and forming a new number by concatenating these two numbers. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends and family members so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.